Hello guys, and welcome back to a new episode of Cooking with Annie. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I make my Ayamaste sauce, also known as the ofada sauce or the designer stew, whichever one. So if you want to see how I made this sauce, do not go away, keep on watching. So these are the ingredients we'll be needing. We'll be needing green bell peppers, and I'm going to be adding a bit of red chili pepper to give it that spicy taste. Be adding onion. That is it. So now I will dice them up and blend them in the food processor. So everything has been washed and diced. Just added a bit of water for easy blending. Why it is nice to use a food processor, because this sauce is not supposed to blend very smoothly. Yeah. So guys, I have finished blending it. This is the consistency I want. As you can see, it is not very smooth. That is the way I like it. So the next step is to sieve or steam the sauce to drain out the excess water. But in my own case, I prefer to steam it on the stove for at least 5 to 10 minutes to drain out that excess water. So here are the meats I'll be using for my ofada sauce. I'll be cooking them for over an hour now, so they will soon be soft and ready to be used. It's a mixture of goat meat, cow leg, shaki, which is the tribes, and cow skin, momo, even chicken wings. As you can see, the sauce has been steamed. So now let's prepare the sauce. So here's my red oil. I'll be adding some into the pot. Now I will leave the oil to bleach. I'm covering it so the smoke doesn't disturb. So now the oil has been bleached. I don't want it too bleached. This is just the right consistency I want. So the next step, I'm going to fry my onion. For those who know me, I don't like seeing onion in my food. That's why I blended a lot in my sauce. So as you can see, I just dropped like 2 or 3 onion inside. You can dice a lot of onion and use for yourself if you are the type that loves onion. I also decided to fry my meat a tiny bit to have that crunchy taste. It is not necessary. You can just put it like that without frying. So I took out the meat. So now I'm going to fry my blended pepper sauce. So now I'm going to go in with some salt to taste, some crayfish, blended crayfish, stir together, some stock cube, going to add in locust beans, that is ogiri. I will list all the ingredients in the description box below for you guys to see. Now I'm going to go in with my fried meat. You can decide not to fry your meat, it's your choice. Stir everything together. As you can see, it is a bit thick, so I'm just going to add in some of my meat stock. So now I'm going to leave to cook for another 5 to 10 minutes and it will be ready. And oh, ofada sauce is never complete without some boiled egg in it. So I added my boiled egg. In the next 5 minutes I will be dropping it and it is ready. So guys, my ofada sauce is ready. You can eat this with boiled yam, boiled plantain or white rice, but as for me, I'm definitely eating it with white rice because I am a rice lover. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. I do hope you find this video helpful. Please, if you do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you.